Rameshwar Prasad Mishra. This gentleman was Pujya Babuji Maharaj's Guru Bhai. Why am I making reference to this specifically? Usually we don't describe who wrote these songs, etc. It's very relevant to our journey. Some of you who have read Reality at Dawn, you know it is dedicated to the same gentleman, a guru dedicating a book to his Guru Bhai, who had a very special relation with Babuji. Not only a Guru Bhai, but that was his disciple as well. As after Pujya Lalaji's passing, he was one of those first ones who accepted Babuji Maharaj as his Guru and a successor to Lalaji Maharaj. The bond of love between Babuji and him gets reflected in many of his works, many of his speeches, many of his writings and compositions like this. Which Guru would write a dedication to his Guru Bhai? It's unheard in the history of spirituality, where a Guru would dedicate a book to his Shishya or a Guru Bhai. Let's all delve a little bit more into this bond between a Guru and a disciple, where a Guru is compelled to dedicate something to his Guru Bhai or Guru as a disciple. It speaks a volume here, say. Because all the time we have been seeing Babuji's love for Lalaji Maharaja, unparalleled. He did not look at anyone else. Yet we see on many occasions where he praises his Guru Bhai, Rameshwar Prasad Mishra. Some of his qualities are very well described in our literature. Kindly go through them. What is it that attracted Babuji towards him? Unflinching devotion, courage, unparalleled courage, unquestioning. Though you will find his reference in autobiography, 1944 onward, where Babuji Maharaj is receiving messages from above. And there is one occasion where Lalaji warns specifically on Rameshwar Prasad Mishra. And Babuji becomes very cautious and prepares him further. Warning was very dire and very depressing, where you see Lalaji tells him, you cannot trust this man. And when you see Babuji taking a 300, I would say 180-degree turn and dedicating a book, see the amount of work Babuji must have done on him in transforming this personality, where his own Guru says, don't trust him, and where in the end he ends up dedicating a book to his Guru Bhai. Another scenario. Is Madan Mohan Lal of Shahjahanpur. That was Babuji's preceptor. He used to pride for preparing a personality in the form of Babuji Maharaj. Lalaji used to praise this personality. Rameshwar Prasad Mishra somehow was discarded by Lalaji, but this personality, Madan Mohan Lal, was praised so much that I have two spiritual sons. He said, one is Ramchandra, another is Madan Mohan Lal. But what happens later is for us all to learn something out of it. His pride took over him. Madan Mohan Lal, who was akin to a special personality, who was akin to a master, who was akin, and Lalaji Maharaj praising him that you have prepared Ramchandra, and falling from that grace into dust where he even loses the opportunity of getting liberated. It speaks volume to us that where the great master loses a hope in one disciple, where he praises another one to the highest, and the whole story changes in the end. One who was not supposed to succeed reaches the pinnacle. One who has reached the pinnacle is down into the dust. So this composition tells a lot. Listen to it time and again. Samarpit Hriday. Samarpit Hriday. Focus on that. Surrendered heart with Shraddha. The message which was received and shared with you all also conveys similar sentiments. Traveling on the beam of light, beam of love. Beam of love is faster than beam of light. It reaches straight to the center. Condition is if there are no obstacles. You close your eyes and you are there. But when all those obstacles which Babuji has described it directly and indirectly are absent. And we all are familiar with our own obstacles. Nobody has to tell you that this is your problem or that is your problem. We all know our own personal problems. Reflect on them and be lightened. Reduce them to the maximum level and see what bliss descends into hearts. You are free bird, then say. Nothing can stop, nothing at all. So identify those layers which are coming between ourselves and the center. Once that is done, journey is over. I pray that we all attain such a state of realization, at least to know what our problems are. Thank you.